Hey there, Nick with ScanEZ. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable the Shake to Scan feature on ScanEZ. Start by going to the product research screen. Then locate and click on the three vertical lines on the top left-hand corner of the screen. This will open up a menu. Then locate and click on Device Settings. Here, you will see an option that says Enable Shake to Scan. Click on the checkbox next to the option, then click on the Save button on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This will activate the Shake to Scan feature. Note, this feature will work on the following pages: the product research screen and on the product info screen. How the Shake to Scan feature works is when you're on the product info screen or product research screen, you just simply shake the phone and the phone will return to the barcode scanner mode. This will allow you to continue scanning products without having to click on any buttons on the screen. And that about covers it for this video. If you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.scanez.com.